parish of St. Andrew has been a hive of activity over the past year, with the start of several major road rehabilitation projects in Shorey Village, White Hill, King Street, and along the Ermey-Bourne Highway. The Belleplaine Haggatts Depot has also been hard at work making improvements to road infrastructure within the parish.
For the year in Belleplaine Haggatts, we had contract workers, ash workers, which were commonly called ash workers. They were doing a lot of debushing around the district. During the year, we also had an emergency bottom bridge, seasonal rains that damaged the temporary bypass road. So we did a repair on that, installing new sprout pipes, which is a stronger bridge, and allowed the St. Andrew Parish Church bus to resume service to its old road, which connect back up the districts. We also did repairs to a broken culvert near the primary school on Belleplaine Main Road. That was a pretty interesting job. We a lot of concrete work and whatnot, and then we're doing a retaining wall at Visits Hill.
The footpath project in Belleplaine is ongoing and near completion.
We also, during the year, we're doing work on the footpath, the Belleplaine footpath, where we're covering up the open drain and putting manhole covers so that you can still clean the drain and allow pedestrian traffic to travel freely on that highway too, which runs through Belleplaine. The residents are extremely happy because you are out of the way of the vehicular traffic. You're on the sidewalk and you can travel at ease. And there's 2 schools on that particular route, the A. DeCosta Errors Primary School and the Aline School. Students and parents and everyone are very happy about the progress of the footpath.
Overall maintenance has also been taking place throughout St. Andrew.
We are continuously doing pothole patching around the district. Currently we are doing some work in Walkers. We also do drainage works around the district because St. Andrews is the only parish that is completely covered with completely inside of the Scotland district. So we have a lot of drainage issues, which we always clearing bridges and, underneath the bridge, any of MTW's infrastructure to allow smooth drainage OTC. Since this, we did some repairs to some manhole covers and drain covers, because some of them, you have vehicular traffic, sometimes will park on the sidewalks, damaging the grills, and we did some repairs to the grills.
MTWW crews have been mechanically debushing Farley Hill to Greenland, and the Gabing crews are also seeking to restart the Gabing stabilization project at Trial Path. Infra Construction Inc. has been improving the Ermey-Bourne Highway from Barclays Park to Belleplaine. It is mostly completed with 95% of the road paved. Work on the Ermey-Bourne Highway is part of the Road Rehabilitation and Improvement Connectivity of Road Infrastructure project funded by the Inter-American Development Bank. The Scotland District Road Rehabilitation Project, funded by the Export-Import Bank of China, began in 2022 with the road rehabilitation in Shorey Village.
The residents of Shorey Village have been very grateful because they have a much better road to drive on, a much upgraded drainage system, and it is a lot easier for them to traverse that area in and out, in and out, in and out.
Contractors from the China National Complete Plant Import and Export Corporation Limited, Complant, are working on reconstruction projects in White Hill and King Street. Former MTWW contract workers have been rehired to form part of the Gabing construction team for this project. Many roads and bridges in St. Andrew have been earmarked for reconstruction under the Scotland District Road Rehabilitation Project. MTWW will continue to prioritise improving road infrastructure within the parish of St. Andrew.